In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to a task in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go into the workspace that contains the task you want to update. Before you upload anything, it helps to make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams, departments, or projects. This will save time and help you avoid attaching a file to the wrong task. Once you're in the right workspace, navigate to the space, folder, or list where your task is located. When you find the task, click on it to open the full task window. This is where you can view the task details, comments, descriptions, and attachments all in one place. If you're new to ClickUp, just remember that attachments are added directly inside the task itself, not from the main workspace view. Now that the task is open, look for the attachments area near the bottom of the task window. Depending on your layout or screen size, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Take a moment to locate this section carefully, because this is where your uploaded files will appear and be stored with the task. Next, click the paperclip attachment icon. After that, choose the option labeled Upload Files. This will open your computer's file browser, where you can select the file you want to attach. Browse to the correct file, click on it, and confirm your selection. If you're working with important project documents, it's always a good idea to double-check the file name before uploading, just to make sure you're choosing the correct version. After selecting the file, wait for the upload to finish. The amount of time this takes can depend on the file size and your internet connection, so give it a moment if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the upload is complete, the attachment will show up inside the task. Finally, verify that the file appears in the attachments section. This quick check is important because it confirms the upload was successful and that anyone viewing the task will be able to access the file. If you can see the file listed there, then you've successfully added an attachment to your ClickUp task. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.